Alright, alright, alright. What that was, I don't know. What that was, I don't know, y'all. I had to restart the stream, guys. I didn't know what happened. I thought I was talking this whole time. Look, so what happened was, let me get this straight. Make a show, make a show. Hey, are we on there? Did I put in the wrong stream? Hold up, man. Bro, hold on, y'all. Look, so what happened was I started charting everything. I think I mixed up a lot of options, a lot of settings, and I got into a trade by accident. I don't know how that happened. But as soon as I started opening up my OBS, everything started going crazy. So we down 69. I'm okay with it. I'm shocked that when I started pressing everything, it started lagging. So my mic was muted. I got into some random trade, bro. We're gonna have to pray. Before we even start anything, we're gonna have to pray, bro, because that was crazy. But let me send this link to Twitter real quick to get everybody in here. Give me a sec, y'all. Give me a sec. Make sure I had to put the right link. Cause I'm all over the place right now, y'all. Let's see. No, this is not the live. What am I doing? This is not it at all. Give me one sec, y'all. We are coming down into that 30-minute fair value gap. You know what's crazy? Throughout that whole time of me trying to fix everything, I was thinking about taking a short. If you was in the last stream, I was thinking about taking a short, and look what happened. It's crazy, man. Crazy how that happens. But it's alright. We're gonna find a trade. Boom. Boom. Delete that, because that's the wrong one. Goodness, man. I did this 3 times. Boom. Give me a sec, y'all. I'm coming. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. I just gotta set everything up. Alright. Alright, man. Let's get it. Let's get it, chat. Let's get it. Everybody, welcome. Let's get it. Let's get it, man. Let me drink some water, get this. Let's go, y'all. Tired of having y'all waiting. Alright, look, we're gonna start this day off simple. Bible verse of the day. Let me do this one first. Therefore, First Peter chapter 1. First Peter book 1. Therefore, with minds that are alert and fully sober, set your hope on the grace to be brought to you when Jesus Christ is revealed and at his coming. As obedient children, do not conform to the evil desires that you have when you lived in ignorance, okay? But just as he who called you is holy, so be holy in all you do. For it is written, be holy because Jesus Christ is holy, God is holy, okay? So make sure y'all be holy, you know. Try your best to live a good life. Try to give your faith into God, all right? And the next verse of the day is, guys, First Peter chapter 3, verse 8. Finally, all of you, be like-minded, be sympathetic, love one another, be compassionate and humble. Do not repay evil with evil, okay? Or insult with insult. On the contrary, don't repay evil with blessings, because to this you were called, so that you may inherit a blessing. So when you're prosecuted with evil, and you have evil coming your way, what you do is you bless it. You do good by it, because you don't want to repay evil with evil. Let God have that vengeance. Let him have that, all right? For whoever who love life and see good days must keep their tongue from evil. So make sure you keep your tongue from doing evil, saying evil, and also must keep their tongue from evil and their lips from deceitful speech. They must turn from evil and do good. They must seek peace and pursue it. For the eyes of the Lord are on the righteous, and his ears are attentive to their prayer. But the face of the Lord is against those who do evil. So remember, God is always watching, He's always watching y'all. He's keeping his eyes on you. He's checking what you're doing. He's seeing what you're doing. He sees what you're going to do. But it's up to you to make a decision. Remember, you wake up in the morning with a chance and a choice every morning to decide how you're going to live your life. So make sure you're giving it to the Lord. You're doing the right thing. Don't repay evil with evil. Repay evil with doing good things and blessings, and you will be rewarded. All right? So let's get it, y'all. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right, so let me look back at the daily. Let's see what this daily looking like. All right, look, we got this imbalance. We got a whole imbalance right here. Boom. We're starting off strong. Imbalance. We're trying to fill that imbalance. We also have some more liquidity that lies right here. Look at this. Boom, boom, boom. We're gonna tap into that. That's what I'm predicting. We're bouncing off this 15-minute fair value. I mean, actually, no, that's not a 15. I'm gonna take that off. That's old. That's old news. Let's take that off. That's old school. Bam. 4 hours still. We're still in this 4 hour. We also hitting a daily. We also have a daily fair value gap right here. Boom. Let me draw down to a 4 hour. No break, no break, no break. We haven't had a break yet. Take this off. So as you can see, y'all, we have no break. No break right here. No break right there. No break right there. So the shorts came in. All right. As you can see, the shorts wanted to come in because we didn't have a break. I mean, it's just simple charting. So now we look down to a 1 hour. Now we at what's wrong with attacks, man, about his family and curious. Why are you worried about the man's other age? All right, man, let's get to charting, man. Let's get back to it. All right, so we do have a 1 hour right here. Let me go ahead and set this up. Y'all in the chat going crazy this morning, huh? I just spread the word, man. Come on, man. Come on. We gotta do better. All right, so we do have a 1 hour right here, y'all. 1 hour supply zone right here. We also have a 30-minute fair value gap right here. I'm gonna put this 1 hour right here too, for potential bounce to the. Maybe we might bounce off of it. We're gonna see. 1 hour, but I think we're gonna continue to push short. That's my bias of the day. We're gonna push shorter. 1 hour demand zone right here. All right, let's get it. So we have a 1 hour supply right here, 1 hour demand right here with a 30-minute fair value gap that we might push into. We are down $69. We are down $69 off a mistake, but that's okay. We good on that. Man, how's everybody doing this morning? Let me know in the chat how y'all morning going. Let me know. Remember, don't repay evil with evil. Just bless people. Do right by people. Do good, because the Lord is always watching. And remember, He turns His face from evil. So when you're praying and you're doing bad and you're praying, you're doing these, you're giving your prayers to Him, but you're on the side doing wrong, doing evil. He's gonna turn His face away from you. He's not gonna answer those prayers. So make sure that you're doing the right thing. Make sure that you're being faithful, you're doing the right thing, and He'll continue to bless you. It's pretty simple, y'all. All right, so we do have a 1 hour right here above our heads supply. We have a 1 hour demand. Demand below our heads is at the bottom. So we're in range right now, y'all. We did push down off this 1 hour fair value gap. Because remember, I don't know if y'all know about macros. Macros is like 950 to 1010, 1050 to 1110, 1250. We did macros. So macros timing, it was perfect. At around 750, we dropped down. Look at this. Perfect bounce, perfect respect off this 1 hour fair value gap. Boom. I missed it. This was a time when I was fiddling with my charts and on my computer. So, all right, we all pushing down. I gotta see if we're gonna have any retest for a short, because I might take a short. See if we have any retest, and we have an imbalance right here too. Wow. Let's see. If I could find a retest and get in short, I will take it, even since the market's not open yet. Market opens up in 13 minutes. You know what? Let me check news real quick. Let me check news because I gotta remember to check that. We have 9 o'clock JOLTS job openings. We have CB Consumer Confidence Report at 9 o'clock. Job openings at 9 o'clock. Then we have, okay. After that, we don't have nothing else. So JOLTS and Consumer Confidence at 9 o'clock. So we're going to have to be mindful of that. All right. Let's see what else we have. I ain't gonna try to take it too long, y'all, so I can see if we can take a trade. We have a bounce right here. Let's see. Let me put a marker right here. Bam. Bam. See how we do right here. Bam. Are we respecting that? Let's see. I'm gonna take one short. Just one short. I'm gonna put a stop above this high area right here for like a loss of 30. So we gauging the market. If it follow through, I'm adding more. If it don't, then it is what it is. All right. Let's go. Oh, hold up. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Can we push? Can we push shorter? Because we did print this 15-minute. I just realized. We're gonna see. If I get stopped out, then you already know why. If I get stopped out, you know why? Because we just printed another candle, and we might just shoot up for some more highs just to come back down. Let's see what we got. What we got? Let me look up at a higher time frame. Let me put my stop a little higher. For a loss of 40, I'm gonna put my stop a little higher. Just in case we push. Is this all on Apex trading website? Flame, this is not on Apex. This is Top Step. But I do have I can put on my Apex right now if you want to see my Apex. I'll show you the Apex. I do have my Apex. I haven't traded. I usually it's hard to trade so many platforms at once. And I usually trade the one I like a lot. So, I'm trying to pass this account right here on Top Step. But I do have an Apex account. So make sure you go check it out. I do have it. I can show you right now. Let me give you a second. Give me a second real quick. It's on TraderVate. But if I lag out, then you know why. I'll show you real quick. Since we're not really going nowhere, we're just pushing around. Let me go ahead and turn this off. Give me a second. Show you Apex real quick. I'm on TraderVate. I trade Apex on TraderVate. If it'll load, my goodness. Let's see what we got. Apex. Let's do it. Apex _ 52250. Hey, let's see. 18. 9. Forgot my code. I ain't gonna lie to you. Give me a second, y'all. Give me 1 sec. I forgot my password to this account. Boom. Alright, give me 1 second. I'm gonna add it to the screen so y'all can see it. Add it to the screen so you can see Apex. Give me 1 sec. Windows share. Apex. Let me add this at the bottom. There we go. Let me make this smaller for y'all. Alright, so this is my Apex account on TraderVate. I just bought partial stocks here and there and hold on to them and buy crypto. And that's what's up. I'm new to the trading stuff, so I'm watching you to learn. Alright, so this is my Apex account. Alright, so this is a 20, see Apex at the top right here. I didn't take a trade on it just yet because I'm on my Top Step. But you can if you want. You can take a trade. If you wanted to buy Apex, go ahead and buy you some accounts. They are 80% off. But I'm not trading it just yet because I usually trade it later on. Because I like taking it kind of more seriously. See Apex at the top? That's my Apex account. Alright. So make sure to go get you some codes. Look, coupon code, 80% off. Apex Trading Funding. In the description. The link is in the description. It's 80% off any account. Use that code, DAGGUY. DAGGUY to get you some accounts. They're cheap. Really cheap. Alright. Go check that out in the description, y'all. Alright, let me get rid of that. Let me get rid of that right now. Because I'm not trading that right now. But, I mean, it's all the same stuff. It's futures. It's all the same account, really. Alright, so back to Top Step. That's the account I'm on right now. Because I'm trying to pass this account. Alright, let's get it, y'all. So market opens up in 7 more minutes. I'm in one trade right now. And we haven't even popped. I'm trying to see. Are we going to continue to go long on this trade? Or are we going to go shorter? We're going to see. We still have some liquidity to touch at the bottom. And we didn't even get tapped out. We didn't even get stopped out. Look at that. Boom. We're not breaking. Let me see the 5 minute. I might add into this. If we continue to hold this position. I might add it to this. Oh, maybe not. Let's see. I'm trying to see if we have any potential bounces. I'm trying to see if there's any spot that we might bounce that I can just get a retest and find for the shorts. That's the plan. I'm a little laggy right now though. All right, 5 minutes just printed. I might get stopped out. 5 minutes just printed. You know what? I'm gonna take this out for a loss because it's gonna pop up. All right, so we down 105. That's cool. Market ain't open yet. Wait till 5 minutes until market open. I missed my trade short because my computer started acting crazy, mixing up everything. But that's okay though. We gotta remain faithful. Remember, no emotions in this market. Don't worry about losing money because it's not guaranteed that you will make money. But the most important thing that you can't control is your emotions in this market. You can't control the market, but you can control your emotions. That's all that matters in this market. It looks good seeing green on the day. You know, it looks good seeing 30,000, 10,000, 5,000 plus, right? But the thing is, you never see the downs, you never see the red days, you never see the resets. And that's the best part because these losses is what help you become a better trader. Not being green all the time you're green, all the time you're winning. You can't, it's just impossible. But you can control your emotions to make you green. This red right now don't mean nothing to me. Even if I was down 1,000, it wouldn't mean nothing to me. All right, let's get it. Actually, let me play some music. I'm tripping, y'all. I know it's sounding really dry up in here right now. Let's get it. Let's go. All right, so we are pushing up higher. Yo, wait, why is my screen still showing? Hold up. Am I tripping? Does my screen still show I'm in a trade? Yo, my computer is tripping out. There we go. I am so sorry, y'all. I don't know what's going on. This commodity is NQ, Nasdaq, on futures. My bad, y'all. I don't know why my stream has not been doing this, but for some reason it's been acting crazy. All right, let's get back to it, man. No more jokes, no more games. Let's get it. Let's get it. I'm gonna keep on sipping water. All right, look. What was the bias of the day? My bias was to take the shorts. We rejected so many times on the 4-hour. The rejection right here on the 4-hour. We couldn't pass this. We couldn't pass this. We couldn't break past this. We just keep rejecting this 4-hour and this daily fair value gap, right? Can we come down and feel this imbalance below us? Can we come down? We're gonna see. But my bias of the day is short. All right, drop it down to a 1-hour. I'm gonna repeat this again. I'm dropping down to a 1-hour. We bounced right here. We bounced right here. We bounced right here. But we also have more, more downs. I'm expecting more downs, more shorts. So my bias again is short. We came down off this 1-hour fair value gap right here. Tested it at macro time, at literally at 650 to 710. We touched that time and short. No, I'm lying. 750 to 810. Macros is 750 to 810, 950 to 910. You get it, so on and so on. So we did tap into this 1-hour, respected this 1-hour, and we came short, but my computer was acting crazy. But that's okay though, because I'm still looking for a retest to go short. That is the plan. I'm looking for a retest to go short. All right. Let's see what we got. So on a 1-hour, let's see, did we break this? I mean, I consider this a break. A little simple breaker structure. Let's go, y'all. Let me know in the chat. What's up? Y'all thinking short? Y'all thinking long? Which I got it. 1 hour. We got 30 minutes on the 1 hour, 30 minutes on the 4 hour. I think some more shorts gonna come in. I just gotta see a retest. Retest possibly back into, let's see, in this area right here. Let me see right here. What is this? What is this right here? I want to see this break. 30-minute fair value gap. All right, what's up? What's up, everybody? 30-minute fair value gap. Market opened up just now. Market is open. Market is open. We're gonna see if we're gonna push higher, we're gonna push shorter, we're gonna see. Market is open. All right, I'm gonna keep it on the 5-minute. I'm gonna keep it on the 5-minute so it can be simple. All right, there we go. All right, like I said, we're gonna wait like 3 minutes until like market kind of settles down to see what this is gonna do. 3 minutes, y'all. See if we're gonna get this retest by this breaker structure. See what happens. 30-minute just printed. 30-minute just printed. See about this retest. We're pushing higher. Man, we're just building higher and higher. Nice long though, but too volatile to get into that. Look how volatile, man. We're moving like 20, 30 points in like less than a minute. Look at that rejection off the breaker structure. Look at that rejection off the breaker structure. We just put this breaker structure. Look how it's rejecting. Man, crazy. All right, let's see what happens at this fair value gap. If we can maybe continue to catch us. Let's see if we can. Oh, never mind. I'm about to see if we can catch a scalp long or a scalp short off this fair value gap. But this thing is volatile. I advise y'all, if you trading this right now, sit on hands. I might sit on hands. I'm not a financial advisor, but I might advise, hey, just be careful in this market. Just be careful. This it is volatile. Jeez. These loans are coming in. Goodness. All right, so we are having a retest. We're going to see if we can catch a short. All right. I liking this 4-hour candle for the shorts. We have 27 minutes until this candle prints, but that's good timing for the shorts to come in. So, in my opinion, I'm gonna see if I can find a retest somewhere along this right here. Boom, I like this. 15-minute fair value gap right here. See if we can get a short right here. Got Jolt in 27 minutes. Thank you, Brandon. Thank you, Brandon. Jolt and consumer report. It's a consumer finance report. I forgot what it was. 15-minute fair value gap right here. This 1 minute is invalid. I'm getting rid of that. It's too small. We tapped into this. Let's see if we respect this. Boom. Boom. See what the 3-minute. Man, this market is vicious. Vicious today. Look at these points. Look how many ticks we're moving. Man, we're moving 131 ticks in literally a minute. All right, let's see. I'm trying to get more confirmation before I take a short. I'm just looking for more confirmation, y'all. More confirmation, more confirmation. All right, 40 seconds into the 5-minute prints. 40 seconds to the 5-minute prints. I think that 5 minutes gonna give me everything. I don't like this candle. I don't like how I didn't. See how I don't like how the 5-minute. There we go. 4 minutes. I mean, 20 seconds. 20 seconds, 5-minute candle about to print. 20 seconds. And then we're gonna take a trade. I should wait till macro time to see a legit move. We might move sideways. I hope we don't. Really hope we don't. Man, this market is vicious. Man, goodness. All right, I'm taking a short. And if it's trash, it's trash. If the play is trash, it's trash. Day trading looks intimidating. It could be very intimidating, my bro. Very, very intimidating. I'm putting a stop above this high. I'm not gonna set no what you call it. It could be very intimidating. We taking TP right here at 355. If we don't reject, I might get out of this trade because I'm not liking this 15-minute candle too. You know what? I'm gonna take out. I'm gonna see. Respect this trade. Remember, just respect it. If it plays out, it plays out. If it don't, it don't. It is what it is. We might be in this trade too early, to be honest with you. Oh, I'm not liking that green candle. I'm not liking that 3-minute either. I gotta see. I see follow through. I need follow through. Come on. We need some follow through. All right, no follow through. I'm gonna take out partials. Are we saying we just in one one micro? My computer's lagging, man. There's a lot of volume on here. I'm adding 5. Let's go. But I'm about to go to YouTube college. That's crazy. Oh, wow. Really? I don't like that candle. Wow. Can we get some more rejection? Are we not gonna break this 30-minute? I want to see it literally just plummet. Come on, let's go. Yo, my computer is lagging big time. All right, I'm gonna take out partials. Let's take out partials. All right, we took out 4. We got two runners left, and our TP is at 355. So we was down a good bit, but we got back some of our losses. Look at that retest. Huh, I keep scalping in and out. Hey, yeah, for sure. Be careful, bro. Be careful, man. These wicks would don't let them fool you. They would wick you out for real. We missed that macro timing one. I'm gonna show you the macro one, man. We missed it at 750 to 810. 750 to 810. We missed it. The one up here. That was a beautiful trade. Easy play to get into. Sorry if my computer's laggy, bro. I don't. It's just the volume is high. We're gonna hold this trade. I'm not gonna do too much, okay? Oh, never mind. You'll be able to hold it now. After that pop. Let's see. Are we gonna go back up to the highs? Is this a bounce off this 30-minute? Yeah, probably so. Dang. It's so volatile. Oh my goodness. Wow. Alright, stopped out. Gonna be stopped out. Or not. We're gonna see. For real. You gotta get out. I mean, I'm gonna respect my trade. It is what it is. I'm just gonna have to respect it. I'm not gonna be like, oh no, please. It is what it is. I gotta accept it. I gotta face the fact that, hey, I'm losing this trade. You know what I'm saying? You have to be like, oh, you can't be like, oh no, please. I mean, unless you know for sure it's a losing trade, get out. But I believe in this trade. I really do. I really believe. But if you don't want to give, then oh well. I try my best. And if you shoot up, then we'll take another trade. Even though this market is like really nasty. I might get stopped out. I ain't gonna lie. I might get stopped out. Hey, sometimes, hey, I ain't gonna lie. I was scared a lot. I ain't gonna lie. I was scared a lot. But now it's like, what are you scared of? It trying to attack you, you know? It is what it is. It is what it is. Either you're gonna take the trade or you're not. Either you're gonna accept that loss, you're gonna put that stop. You gotta accept that loss. Because it's gonna make you a better trader. That's the only way you're gonna get better, is by accepting those losses. You have to love those losses and accept them losses. I'm down 178. Alright. I could be a trash trader, right? But one day I might have a trade that might make me 40,000. That's how I'm seeing it. I don't even care. Forget it. We're respecting this 15-minute fair value gap. I like that respect. Hey, if my trade come back in, I'm getting back in the shorts. Just saying. I'm gonna keep taking that trade. I believe in it. Let's get it. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. All right, 16 minutes into this 4-hour prints. I'm gonna see if I can find another speaking into the existence, my bro. Hey, it is what it is. Either you do it or you don't. Either you progress or you're not. Either you get lucky, but how long will luck continue to run if you got the same emotion? Forget it. 178, man. You out here, your mindset on trading is to make millions, right? You want to make millions, hundreds of millions. Don't limit your mind to something like as small as $180. That's okay, you're gonna make millions one day. That's your goal, and you're gonna do it by step. But don't be afraid to take your losses. I treat my losses like wins because it's teaching me. Okay, I didn't do right because this didn't show. That's a blessing to see that when you see a loss, it's like, oh, I see it now. Because imagine if you couldn't have that wisdom or that understanding that was why it went that way or why did it go wrong. That's easy. Now you can take it next time, apply it, accept it, add it to your vocabulary, to your whatever, your book of learning, and boom. Sitting on my hands on jobs, yeah, for sure. For sure, 15. Hey, but I like that volatility though, for sure. If I see the volatility and I see that the trade, because volatility speeds up think about it like this, volatility causes slippage, right? Volatility causes slippage, but it will speed up the process of seeing your trade play out, so you know when to get in and get out. Risk only what you want to risk. I risked almost $200. I'm happy with that. I wanted to risk 1,000. I'm cool with that, but I kept my stop tight. It is what it is. Remember, we're not here to play little games. We're here to become financially free. So $200, $1,000 ain't nothing compared to when you're rich and you got millions. That's the goal. You know what I'm saying? That's the goal. So let's get it. Let's get it, y'all. Let's get it. We are pushing up higher. Man, we're respecting this 30-minute perfectly. Oh my goodness. And we bounced off this too. Boom, bounced off this weight. Boom. Bounce right there. Coming back up. Now look, we might see another short. We're gonna see. We broke past this 30-minute on the 15-minute. So we might see. Or we might continue to push long. I'm trying to see what we have. We have jolts in 14 more minutes. So 14 more minutes, we're gonna see. But I will trade. I ain't gonna lie, I will trade news. I would take that risk. I am not lying to you. You think these boys that got on the leaderboards took little baby risks? They take risks. They believe in their trade. You ever see the top step leaderboards, the apex leaderboards? These people take risk. They believe in their trade. That's one thing about professionals and regular traders. You could be professional even if you didn't have money. One thing about professionals, they don't put their emotions in this. They accepted the fact that the trade can be a losing trade. You're not guaranteed to win. You know what I'm saying? You're not guaranteed to win a trade. You're just guaranteed to control your emotions. And that's how you're going to win. Every single time. Every single time. I was down 1,000 yesterday. After I got off stream yesterday, I took my trade because I saw it. I was like, man, I don't care. I want this trade. I saw it. We pushing up. Let's see what happens. Don't be afraid of this market, man. This market gonna do like it's doing. Bounce up and down and up and down and up. And it's just bouncing. But guess what? We didn't hit the support line. Also, we're not breaking higher. I don't know if we're ready. We might consolidate. All right, macro time coming up, yo. Might be another short. Hey, 850 to 910. Could be a setup for a short. Could be a setup for a long. We're gonna see. So get ready. Get ready. Macro time. 850, 910. 850 to 910 is macro time, all right? Jolts is in 13 more minutes. That could be a chance to take a short, take a nice little play. Don't be afraid. Even if you broke even on the day, be thankful that you got your account. Save your account. Risk manage. Risk only what you are willing to afford to risk. Remember, the rule of this game is not to say, oh, how much I'm making. The rule of the game is how much it costs, you know? Every time you get into a trade, every time you take a trade, you ask how much I'm costing myself, you know? Does this cost me 300? Does it cost me 500? Do I like this? Do I like how much it costs? If you're willing to accept the cost of that trade, then you can't lose. You can't lose. You're guaranteed to not win, but you can't lose because you're willing to accept the cost. Anybody can make. You can have one trade, but you have your stop, right? You can have your stop if you're going long, you're going short. You can have your stop, right? Whatever the cost is, accept that cost. Don't worry about the profits. The profit's going to make itself. It's going to keep going. But if you accept the cost, you good. Every time. Ask yourself how much it costs you, and you're going to always be good. Is this a scam or this a legit? This is not a scam, bro. Not a scam at all. Alright. I'll do you a favor. This is Top Step, right? I got you. Give me a second. I got you. Watch this. Mick Collective. I'll show you my payouts. Give me a second. I'm gonna show you right now. Joe's is in a few. I'm not gonna trade right now, but I'm gonna show you real quick. Give me a second. I'm coming right now. I'm gonna show you if this is a scam or not. We're about to see if this is a scam. Can I show my mail? Would it let me show it? I'm gonna see if it let me show my mail. I don't think they're gonna let me show my mail. Alright, so it's not gonna let me show my mail for some reason. It's not letting me show my mail screen. Okay, maybe not. Maybe that's illegal. Alright, I can't show my mail screen. It won't let me show it. It like literally lagged out of it. But let me see if I can take a screenshot and show y'all. Let me see if I can show some screenshots. Cause somebody believes. Macros now, but I want to see if a play set up. Hey, I'm gonna try not to get too distracted. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all some screenshots of. Give me one sec. My computer lagging a little bit. Give me one sec. Let me see. Come on, load. I'm trying to show you my screenshots. Follow my payouts. Come on. Hold on. Give me a second. Screenshots. Give me a sec. Cause you got seeing is believing, right? I guess seeing is believing, right? Only until you see the proof, then it's true. Oh, wrong gallery. Duh. Come on. I ain't gonna lie, I don't be buying new stuff. Most of my money go to my family, bro. That's why I don't be buying new stuff. I gotta start buying new stuff for myself. Payout 1. Boom. I'm gonna show y'all payout 2. We're not playing over here. We gotta do this right. PO2. Give me a sec. PO2. Boom. Not joking. PO3. PO3. Boom. I'm not playing. Those are payouts. Those are the facts. Look at the numbers. Those ain't $200, $100. Y'all see that? Y'all seeing the proof? That's the proof. Congratulations, congratulations. But that doesn't mean nothing, you know. That's the byproduct of following your rules and sticking to the plan. That's the byproduct. That's all it is. All right. I got the facts. All right, let me get rid of this stuff because it's gonna slow my computer down. Put too many pictures on the wall, it's gonna show me on the screen. It's gonna slow my computer down. All right. All right, back to it. We in macro time. Let's see if there's a rejection. What we doing? 7 minutes into this market, this 4 hour prints. Let's see. Let's try a short. Maybe that's too many. Let's try a short. See if we get a short. I like this rejection off this one. Come on, I ain't asking you. See if we get a rejection. A strong rejection. Might take out 3 just to kind of save myself some money. All right, there we go. We in 1 micro. I'm gonna add more if we have a nice follow through. Let me add my stop above. We in jolts though, but that's cool though. Jolts is in 6 minutes. Is it 6 minutes? We have 6 minutes until jolts. 6 minutes. Ooh, I gotta see if we have any more. Look, we're rejecting off this block right here. I like that. That breaker, boom. I want to see a strong rejection off that mud. We going straight down. I want to see it. We got 6 minutes, but that's okay. I'm in 1 trade right now. I'm gauging it. All right, no, rejection. What we gonna do? We thinning out. Hey, y'all, the buyers and sellers are thinning out. You say nothing but wicks. Come on, if these sellers start picking up on candles, I'm getting into more shorts. I am not kidding. You know what? I'm gonna add 1 more. If I see more rejection. Dang, that rejection off this one out. Man, that's beautiful. Come on. Let's go. Reject. Reject. Let's go. All right, we in macro time. Remember that, y'all. We in macro time. Ooh, hold up. Wait a minute. What printed? What printed? What printed? What printed? 15 minute? 5 minute? 5 minute just printed. 5 minute just printed. I'm gonna hold it. I wanna see we tapping some more liquidity. I wanna see. Hold on. 5 minute just printed. Alright. I'm gonna wait. Four minutes left until these candles print, y'all. 4 minutes. Y'all seen the proof. It's legit. It's legit, my boy. I've taken a lot, and you seen the dates too. That's what's crazy. It was just my old ones too. I ain't had those in a minute. I just pulled them up because they popped up on the in the files fast. Oh yeah, make sure y'all go get that code, man. Look, stop messing around. 80% off. 80% off. Ends the 30th. Ends the end of this month. 80% off. Use that code. That guy. 80% off. If you don't, that code might jump back down to the discount might jump down to 50%, 60%, and then it's like, okay, now you gotta pay you gotta pay that real price now. Go use that code, guys. That guy, look, it's right here. That guy. Go use that code, 80% off. All right, let's get back to it. So we did pop back up. That's cool. I want to see a clear rejection. Look at these imbalances below, y'all. Look at this. We gotta fill that. But we can still pump though. You know, we're not guaranteed to go long. We're not guaranteed to go short, you know. We got 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left. You're gonna see. And the whole time frame is gonna print. This is a really aggressive market. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Can we move sideways today? Can we move sideways? I don't know. We can. But I want to see these shorts come in. I really do. Let me do something real quick. I'm gonna see if I can get some more confirmation. Alright. I consider this. I want to consider this. Let's see. CRT? CRT maybe? Put my stop above these highs right here. Put my stop above these highs. Just in case we get some slippage. Alright, so we got 2 minutes. Jolts coming out. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Alright, put my stop above right here. Just in case we slip. You know what? I'm gonna get out of this because I'm not liking it. I'm not liking something. I'm gonna wait till jolts. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wait till jolts. I might wait till jolts. I might. What y'all think? Think I should get out this trade? Think I should just wait or just hold it? We're gonna see. But we are in macro time, if you know what that is. 8:50 to 9:10. And my bias is going short. That was my bias. Alright, 30 seconds until everything prints, y'all. 30 seconds. 30 seconds, 30 seconds. Let's see what we gonna do. Take this off. 30 seconds. Candle prints in 30 seconds, 20 seconds, 20 seconds, y'all. We're about to see some high volatility. If I do get stopped out, it's because of slippage. We're gonna see. These candles ain't printing. Let's see. 4 hour, 1 hour. Here we go. Wow. Uh-oh. Market's volatile. There go jolts. Here we go. I'm not buying that. I'm not buying that dip. That's gonna be. I don't believe in that dip just yet. I gotta see it. Actually, I do. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Is that confirmation? I think that's confirmation. I think that's confirmation for the shorts. Hey, hold up. Don't lag on me, please. Don't lag on me. Oh, 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 oh. I'm trying to see. Unless the loans come in, we're gonna see. Very indecisive market. Man, I'm lagging bad. Yeah, I'm getting out this trade. That's a bounce. That's a clear long. Clear long. I'm getting out of that. Alright, we just down 326. I wanna see how we gonna do at this point. I gotta see. Alright. So on the 1 hour, green candle couldn't pass on the 1 hour. Let's see. What else happens right here? On 30 minute, we couldn't pass. We couldn't break a structure. 15 minute, can't have a break of structure. We gonna see. No 15 minute break of structure. 30 minute break of structure. No 1 hour break of structure. See about this point right here. All right, we do got a 15 minute supply zone. I want to see how this plays out. Would this break to go long, or would this respect to go short? I want to see what happens right here, y'all. I want to see what happens right here at this 15 minute, even a 5 minute. But we are pushing up long. Everybody in chat. We are down 326, but that's cool. My bias of the day was to go short. I want to see if we tap into this 15 minute supply zone and get that rejection. I want to see. And if we don't, and if we continue to push past the 15 minute, then we're just going to go take the longs and change our bias going long. Well, we still in macro time. We still got 7 more minutes until that macro end from 8:50 to 9:10. But I want to see a clear rejection. Because I consider this a break of structure right here on a 1 hour. And we didn't even tap. If you look at it, we didn't even tap into this support line. I didn't even see a bounce. We didn't even get a clear bounce. See, we got 1 bounce, 2 bounce. So that's just my thoughts, my opinions. We're going to see. Nice rejection too. All right, look, I'm saying I'm looking for a rejection at the 15 minute. If we get that rejection, I'm taking that short. I'm not gonna play with it. And it's like, and you might ask me, what is the rejection I'm seeing? Look at this 1 hour, right? Look at this 1 hour fair value gap. What is this right here? What am I looking at? Look at this, let me get rid of this. Look at this 1 hour fair value gap right here. Boom. Rejection on the 1 hour. Boom. Rejection on that 1 hour fair value gap. Rejection on the 30-minute. Rejection on the 15-minute. Nice rejection. 5 minutes, who we gonna see? We might just pump it to this 15-minute, but I want to see a rejection. All right, we pumping it to it. I'm gonna gauge with one micro, and I'll put my stop above the highs for 30. You know, I'm gonna put a little higher. I'll put a little higher. I just want to see what happens. Man, we are pumping hard past that. Pumping hard. No Diddy. Okay, don't lag on me. Bro, come on. What? Why is it every time we hit into some liquidity that we gotta lag? Ooh, are we pushing higher? Ooh, look at that push. Oh my goodness. That's why we push higher. Goodness. Dang. No rejection, just straight green, huh? Oh my goodness, we stopped out. 380. Yo, them longs did not want to give up, huh? I mean, them shorts did not want to come in. That is cool. I ain't gonna lie. Be honest with y'all, this market has been crazy. It's been a lot of see money, take money type of days, you know what I'm saying? For all y'all that do know, it's been a lot of see money and take money type of days. All right, let's see what we do. Right here. I put a resistance to see anything that might possibly happen. I think this 1 hour might be invalid, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see, y'all. We still in this trade. My personal loss for the day is 1,000 or 1,300, as y'all can see. Oh, 1,300. We are pushing higher and higher. Man, that was a beautiful long, but I just didn't believe that long was worth it. You know what I'm saying? Like this long, like I just didn't look at this. This is not ideal for, like, you know what I'm saying? Oh, of course, this is the wick right here. Of course, above this 30-minute fair value gap. Boom. And also boom. I guess it just don't look convincing to get into the longs. Yeah, I don't believe it. Let's go, y'all. All right, so the longs did come in. Let's see what we got. So I guess we wasn't going to feel this, none of this imbalance. Look at this, all this imbalance. Look at this. Imbalance right here. Imbalance right here. Imbalance right here. Definitely imbalance right here. But we haven't even tapped into that. Look at the rejection from yesterday. We tapped into this high from yesterday, but we didn't even push down, like talking about. So I guess it's not ready. We're gonna see. I would have thought of us to reject harder off this 4 hour though. But I guess not. I mean, we still can have a rejection. I'm not gonna knock it. 1 minute till macro time closes out. Look how fast we came back down. Goodness. All right, so we tap into this 15-minute. Let's see what happens. Is it gonna be a push up long for a scalp long to touch into that resistance, or are we gonna finally hit that short? What do y'all think? What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Let me see about this line right here. Boom. Remember, and also remember, don't fight the trend. Whatever the trend is going, which the trend is long. Overall, the whole bias of the trend is long. But I was looking for shorts to catch maybe the rejection at some point, but it's not ready. I would have thought it'd been ready by now, but it looks like it's not ready. We're gonna see. Let's gauge it. 1 micro, 1 above for a loss of 50. Man, we rejected the 4 hour so many times. I would expect a quick rejection. just back up just that fast. Damn. Wow, market moving so fast, y'all. Wow, market moving so fast. I couldn't even see my trade. Put on some of my music. Alright. What we gonna do at this 1 hour fair value gap? Man, that rejection was perfect. Goodness. It hit that, man, it hit that liquidity quick. Man, it hit it so quick. I would have added more, but I just didn't see the trade coming in. I should have trusted in it. It's hard to see it when the market is moving so aggressively. All right, 19 seconds to this 5-minute prints. 19 seconds, y'all. 10 seconds to the 15-minute prints too. Goodness, these time frames are resetting quick. Let me get this trade. Look at this 5-minute again. Refresh my site. Wow. As soon as I'm about to add. Can we break this 1 hour fair value gap, please? Can we please get below this 1 hour? Hope we don't move sideways. Wow, we shot right back up that fast? Goodness. Oh, man. You know what? I think I like this long. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Hope we're not in close into range like that. Yeah, I might take this long. I might take a long. We're gonna see. I wanna see the push. Oh wow. The rejection. Don't reject. I might stop above the highs. Where are we at right here? Wow. Oh my goodness. Yo, that rejection was nasty. That was crazy. All right. That might be the rejection. Let me get out of that. Oh well, it is what it is. This might be the rejection. I changed my bias. I thought it was gonna bounce off this 1 hour perfectly. I ain't gonna lie, it's been a tough trade, y'all. I ain't gonna be honest with y'all. It's been tough. It's been a tough trade. Real tough trade. No way, that's the rejection. Man, it took so long. Took so long. Hey, this might be the rejection right here. Yep, this is the rejection. That's the rejection. Dang, it tricked me out. Wow. Talk about getting emotional, huh? The rejection was right there this whole time. Oh my goodness, tricked me. Faked me out. Just to lose that much. That happens, y'all. Sometimes you get faked out thinking that you might go longer, but hey, I had the right motive. I just missed it. There we go. It happens. Alright, let's see. Back down to these lows. My goodness, man. Such a fake out. I was looking for a scalp, but he just dropped on me. That's what happens, y'all. Let's see if we can recover these losses. If we get a retest, I'm adding more. That's not gonna work out. I'm gonna take out from here because I was close to hitting my stop. All right, retest, and if we come back up, I'm gonna get back into the shorts. That is crazy, yo. I waited a while for that play. I waited a long time for that short. A long time. And it was just tricking me at these bounces. Are we hitting VWAP? Man, we are moving sideways. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. We are moving sideways. This is sideways price action. Just trying to get more rejection off this. Let's see if he shorts. I'm gonna try one short right here. I'm gonna try one short right here. Man, I can't believe that trade played out. My goodness, bro. That sucks. That sucks, yo. When your trade plays out and it just keeps just trying its best and not. It tries its best not to give it. Man, that plays with your mental. I ain't gonna lie. I waited for the trade, but I didn't want to get stopped out just randomly. I just didn't want to get stopped out randomly, that's all. And then keep getting back in. I got in like 3-4 times. Like, okay, when you gonna play out? And also it's showing the build up. Look at the build up. Like, it's really showing that it wants to do that. Man. Looking at the market so much can really exhaust your mind. Like, for real. You can get your eyes can get exhausted from just watching the charts the whole time. That's probably what I'm doing. I'm getting exhausted from just watching the charts. I need a refresh. I really do. Yeah. Let's see. All right, let me get back to a daily. You know, let me get back on my mind again. Boom. Man, yes. These shorts look good to me. I don't know why. They look like, man. I would get into those all day. Why you gotta lag? I'm just trying to get more confirmation. Once I get more confirmation to get to these shorts, I will add more. That might be the confirmation right there. Let's go. But we are sideways. Look at a tick chart. Go to a higher tick chart. Sideways. No breaks. No breaks. That's all fake outs. No breaks. We're gonna see. We're dropping down. If we get these losses back, I'm getting off. I'm breaking even. Yesterday I did the same thing, man. I think it's just my mind I wasn't in it like that. But hey, we're dropping. It was the confirmation. I missed out. This is what happens when the execution. I have the strategy, but the execution don't be there. Gotta really get into my trades, but sometimes you really gotta recognize when something is gonna just move sideways and trick. Man, that right there that tricked me up. That tricked me up big time. Come down, broke that, and then hit that 1 hour for. I thought we was gonna bounce back up to like this resistance. I thought we was gonna bounce off this 1 hour right here and hit this resistance right here and come back down. That's what I thought was gonna happen. But it was ready. Look at this 15-minute respect. Man, it was ready. It happens, y'all. It happens. What is this? Stuff like that happens all the time. But that's okay, though. How much time we got left? 1 hour. We got 1 minute in this 30-minute. How much time we got left? 1 minute into this 15. What else we got? We got a 5-minute below. Let me get rid of this 15-minute fair value gap. Might have to get rid of that. See what we got right here. You're gonna retrace. Let's go. Still motivated. Let's get it. Longs, don't come in. Please don't come in. Not yet. We don't want you to come in, Longs. We're not ready for you. I'm not getting confirmation yet. I want to see rejection off each block. I knew it. Fake out. Right there. There we go. Come on. Reject. Okay. 3 minutes just printed right below that block. I mean, I like that. But then I don't like it. I don't like it at the same time because we look like we're in range, y'all. It looks rangy. I mean, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. This looks really rangy. Really rangy. Like, see? Yeah, I don't like that. Might get stopped out. That's cool. Man, this is rangy. Build up to a longs? What is this? Rejection, 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 rejection. But then this candle printed that it didn't want to go down. What do y'all think? In the chat, what do y'all think? Chat, where you at? Where you at, chat? Rejection coming for sure. It just, I have a feeling on it. Man. Oh, let me see. I like this area, especially with this imbalance. Let me see. See if we get anything right here. That might potentially be a short. Let's see, 5 minute. Another macro time might be soon, so we're gonna see y'all. 5 minute fair value gap. I was getting a little exhausted, but that's cool. It's cool. It's cool. You know what? I'm gonna push my full to 1500. Give myself some room. I'm gonna accept that for the day. We hit it. We hit it. We don't. Then should we did good. Let's go. Could we get this rejection? Or we're gonna pump up higher? This ain't, I don't like this block. I think this is invalid. I think. Let me see. Yeah, this might be invalid. If we push it to this 5 minute, I want to see a rejection at this 5 minute. That's the plan. Take a scalp short. I'm gonna take a scalp long. I want to see a rejection at this point right here, at this 5 minute. What's good? Hey, Deontay, what's up? What's up? I needed you in this chat. Man, I've been feeling dry. Deontay, you back. Deontay, hey, I've been exhausted. I ain't gonna lie. My eyes are exhausted from charting. I ain't gonna lie. Today, it's been a little rough. You know, it's been a little rough. I missed my trade this morning. Hey, I had a trade I wanted to take and my chart just went. Everything with my mic was muted. My charts were acting crazy. Changed dang, battery low. Dang, bro. Shh. Hold up, y'all. Let me change this battery. Just having a crazy day. Let me change this webcam real quick, y'all. Give me a sec. Bro. Everything was just wilding. Alright, here we are. We back. Let's go. Man. Backup cam. I'm having a crazy rough day, yo. I try my best to make this market work, but man, I just been up and down. I ain't gonna lie to you. Let me put this in red. I like it. I'm gonna put this in red. I think it's gonna be a good indication that I need to respect that. Yeah, bro. Yeah. Hey, yo, I don't know why, but I'm seeing shorts, yo. Hey, it's going good. You know, I can't complain. I might be down 1,000, but hey, it's okay. I'm just having a crazy day, you know? Everything was just so all over the place. Everything moving like choppy. I'm not really set up right. Looking at these charts too long. But other than that, I'm good. How's your day going? Deontay, how you been? Can we get some? Can we see the buyers sell up? I mean, dry up right here. Can the buyers dry up right here? Can we see them dry up? How's your day? How's your day? Oh, you straight? That's good. That's good. I'm glad to hear that. I'm glad to hear that. Dang, was that 30-minute was really the bounce? That's just, yo, that's like not even cute. I think I'm seeing something that I should have paid attention to. I mean, yeah, I guess. Man, we'd even tap into this. We'd even tap into this. Man, it's good seeing you in the chat, Deontay. Shooting back up to these highs. Hey, y'all, I'll be right back. Let me go use it real quick. I'll be right back. Let me go refresh myself, you know, so I can get this trade on. I'll be right back. All right, we back, man. We back. My bad, y'all. We back. Crazy day. Let's go. Let's go. Pushing back into this 15-minute. Man, we are pushing. Man, these. Whew. We got macro. We got another macro at 10:50 to 11:10, which gonna be like lunch hour time. We're gonna see what's gonna happen right here. 20 minutes to that. 20 minutes. See. Man, these longs are really coming in. My goodness. So let's dry it up, of course. So let's dry up. Build up, build up, build up. Of course. How many ticks was this move? 300. 300 on these ticks. Let me see. 300 times. I'm gonna try 10. 300 times 10. Dang, wow. That would have been nice. Man, we had a, man, most of all, Deontay, we just having a rough day. But it's okay, though, you know? I seen some trades I didn't take. I kind of stumbled on, and it happens. Let me remove some of this stuff so they can clear up all of this noise that don't look legit at all. Just straight noise. Get some of this noise. Look, damn, that bounce was perfect, too. Alright, 5-minute prints in 20 seconds, y'all. And then 15-minute prints. Same time. So we're gonna see, man. We get rid of that. That's the old news. That ain't nothing. See if we get a retracement back to this point. All that matters, you doing alright. Hey, I'm doing alright. You right about that. Can't be wrong from that. I'm doing alright. For sure. 5-minute fair value gap. Also will be a 5-minute right here too. I kind of feeling we was gonna move sideways, kind of. Well, Especially when we build up right here and reject. That should have been told me. That should have told me the loans were coming in. That should have told me the loans were coming in. Chilling in the chat. Hey, that's what's up. Chilling in the chat. Deontay, chilling in the chat. We're gonna try to get some of these losses back, Deontay. We're gonna do it together, y'all. I used to watch you on YouTube when I was younger. I ain't know you became a trader too. That's what's up. Keep grinding, bro. Hey, thank you, Angel. Keep grinding too, brother. Keep doing your thing. Yes. I'm down 1,000, but hey, we're gonna get it back. All together, we're gonna get this back. Let's go. We're gonna work it back. We're gonna take it slowly. Take it slowly. Market been just dogging me out. Just dogging me out, boy. So all that's good at doing is dogging people out. That comes with it, though, you know? Even professionals struggle like this sometimes, you know? You may not see it, but there's professionals that really struggle like this a lot. No matter how many indicators they have, this market would chew people out. Chew them up and spit them out. If we get back to break even, hey, we did a good thing. That was a nice sell-off. Nice little sell-off. Nice little sell-off. Let's go. Come on. Sell off some more. Look at the tick chart to see if I get any more confirmations for more sell-offs. Of course. I don't like. I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced. That's sneaky. Let's go. Trophy. We trophied up. Let's go. Hey, Deontay. Look at that pop. Woo. Anybody that try to add for more? Man, they tricky. That's a lot of. Ooh, my goodness. My goodness. Boy, they trying to trap people. There's traps. There's traps. Y'all see these traps, man? Whew. These traps are not playing. This might be a long. They trapping. They trapping. I'm gonna hold this trade though. I'm gonna hold this trade above this high right here, and I want to see some rejection. I want to see some rejection. Oh, that might be the pop. That might be the longs. Market is vicious. Might get stopped out. I got a couple. I got a few. Mostly on my neck, my arm. Man, this market is lagging. Oh my goodness. Yo, you only trade NAS? Hey, only trade NAS. Oh yeah, here. I was exhausted. Market was exhausting me, but it's okay though. Okay. If I get break even, I'm getting off. Ooh, yeah, no. Doing you bad. They did me dirty. I ain't gonna lie. It doing me. I don't know. I know. Alright, babe. Alright, be careful out there. Alright. Oof, I don't like that trade. I'm going to the gym, by the way. Alright. Damn, this market do not want to give it up, huh? Bro, every time I play this, there we go. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Bro, you could sit in this trade all day and it would literally. There we go. Man. Talk about forever, huh? Forever. Jeez. Y'all see how long it takes just to get a trade in? All right, y'all, let's go. I ain't gonna lie. It's not that I'm scared of the trade. It's just I'm exhausted from trying to study the trade. I mean, oh, I'm sorry. I'm looking at the camera right here. I forgot this camera's off. That's how you know I'm off a little bit. Look at that. Look at that pullback. Right, never want to give nobody nothing. Come on. Why do you do what you do? Let's go. Damn, you just want to pop, don't you? Damn. You don't want to retest nothing, huh? You just want everybody to hurt. Hurt everybody. Did you read my question? What's your arm tattoo say? My arm tattoo? Which one? It don't really say nothing, really. I mean, it's just it's a snake with a dagger, a skull. I don't know if you can see. Hold up, let me see if you can see. I'm tripping. Snake with a dagger, a skull, some type of angel. Can you see? Some type of angel. Heartthrob. Let's get back to it. Let's get back to it. I gotta watch this trade. This trade is really trying to trap people. These are traps, man. This is macro time. Where's the dip at? Come on, where's the dip? I am lost for words on how this market is moving. This thing might hurt. I might have to take my I'm sure I gotta read more price action. This is way too nasty. Wow, this is the night. This will be a nice short. Wow. Wow. Does it hurt when you get that? Yeah. Oh yes. Yes, bro. Yes. Yes. That will hurt. I think I'm gonna have to get out of this trade. I think I'm gonna have to get out. If it don't follow through, I'm getting out. I'm not liking this price action. It's giving like, wow. This what we doing? Yo, I said to stop to get me out. Man, my goodness. All right. Oh well, it is what it is. We tried our best. It is what it is, you know? It is what it is. I'm gonna leave this account alone, let it live for another day. And if you, hey yo, if this thing breaks back down, I'm gonna be totally upset because you're playing with my emotions. But anyways, it is what it is. It wanted to pump. It didn't want to go up. This account, I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna leave it alone. Wow. I tried my best on that account. Literally. Kind of. Literally. That's all right. We tried, yo. We tried. We tried. We tried on that account. It was tough. I ain't gonna lie. I had the sidewaysness. I should have took partials when I saw it. Man, they didn't want to break at that point. Man, disgusting. Anybody that took them trades, good job. Look at this sideways action. All right, so we just tapped into this resistance, y'all. Just tapped into this resistance. Thanks, Deontay. We were down. Look, we're down 1,400 on our account. I'm about to lock this out. I tried my best, y'all. I really did. It was a tough trading session. I'm not even gonna lie to you. It was tough. I tried. Real tough. But oh well. Moving on. Two minutes on that candle. So we got 2 minutes into this 1 hour prints. And possibly we might get a rejection off the 2 minute. Watch this be the rejection. Watch this be the rejection that we was waiting on this whole time. This whole time. I'm about to engage on this market too myself. I'm about to let me set my TP because I can't just get anything out of this market. I gotta really set it. I gotta liquidate right there. Bam. 150. Annoying, bro. So annoying. So annoying. Wow, look at that rejection. Oh my goodness. Let me do a scalper 3. Put a stop above the highs on this account for 298. Bro, I'm telling you, it's almost like it had to pump to that resistance and then come down. Price meets time is literally everything. Price meets time. Price meets time. Oh, we might have the break. We might push up, but I'm gonna put a stop. I'm gonna put a tight stop. I'm not gonna risk too much in this trade. Look at this 1 hour. We got how many minutes left? Like 1 minute. 1 minute. Hey y'all, thanks. Shout out to everybody in the chat for just sticking around for sure. Watching me have a red day. Man. Oh, I should have waited. But this is what makes you better, you know. This is the type of side makes you better in trading. Let's take out one. No, I didn't add 4. I added. There we go. It be lagging and almost like it doesn't click right. It's so weird. All right. Oh, good. Let's get it. Let's see if we can get this rejection. That's the game. I'm gonna put the stop above this. I'm gonna see if we get the rejection. If we don't get the rejection, then I'm gonna just get off. We're tapping into this resistance too, so we're gonna see if we can get a rejection on this resistance. That's the plan. Hey, yeah, that's another tattoo. Just some random stuff that I had when I was a little younger. All right, let's go. Macro time, literally on time. Literally on time. We did it on another account. This was the time that they wanted to do the short. Bro, waited all day for that. Put my stop at break even so it could be a risk-free trade. I'm not even gonna over risk this. Let's go. Hey, I'm cool with it. It just sometimes you get exhausted from knowing that your trade can play out, but waiting all day can get annoying. I ain't gonna lie to you. You can get so annoyed. You could be like, oh my, where's my trade? Where's the trade? Why is it taking so long? And sometimes it won't be ready, but man, sitting here all day waiting for that good trade is annoying. I ain't gonna lie. Who wants to sit here all day? Sometimes you gotta scalp it out. Now I want to pump back up. It's always pumping, man. This market always ready to look for longs. I'm telling you, it's always looking for longs. It's never really looking for. If I can give you some advice, look for them. Look for them longs. Be looking for those longs most of the time. 80% of the time, you're looking for longs. Anytime you're looking for shorts, you gotta wait for the perfect price action to do that, man. Every time. Let's go. Look at that. Long. See how fast longs come in? Longs be quick to come in, yo. Every time. Longs be quick to come in every time. Always. It's so weird. I don't like that. I mean, I like longs. I just don't like how fast it wants to play in. Like, as if, like, man, market would do you dirty, boy. It would do you dirty. It treat you like you was never in a trade, for real. Yeah, alright, so we are hitting some resistance. Let's see if we can get some rejection. I'm gonna try to set a break on me, stop above this high. I wanna see these shorts come in. I wanna see a rejection. I really do. I wanna see a rejection. See if we can reject. Let's go. Can we get a rejection? Or we're gonna pump higher and then reject again. We're gonna see. Oh, it wants to pump. Yeah. You know you want to. You know you want to pump. You know you always do. You always do. You never like giving nobody they trade. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna see if it wants to give us that short. This market is sideways, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. No clear direction. Yeah, these longs might come in. Let me see if I can set some lines to see if I can set some spots of rejection. Let me see if I can spot some rejection back to the longs. Yeah, of course. Can we get this rejection right here? Nope. Please. Alright, so this is my second account. This is my second account, y'all. Let's go. No risk, no reward. Let's go. But you know, even though I'm exhausted, I'm not gonna lie, this is gonna build endurance, you know? When you're in these trades, it's gonna help build endurance to help you trade, to help you keep going longer and to find your trades and to understand these markets at certain times. Man, this market doesn't want to give shit. Damn. My goodness. Like, when you gonna have a bro, we haven't had a retest, a real good retest in a minute. It's just been nothing but fake outs. And we had this key level too, so we might see some more longs, honestly. We're gonna see. Can he break? Can we long for the break? Let's see. I'm trying to get a bro, I'm just trying to get here. Bro, I'm just trying to get here. That's all I want. How long have you been trading? Roughly almost 3 years, literally. About 3 years. It's literally making 3 years of trading. Trading and blowing accounts, passing accounts, funded accounts, close to lies over and over. 3 years, bro. How about you? Come on, bro. You can retest. Come on. Let's retest. Let's get it. And remember, don't ever feel like the market. Don't ever take the market personal. You might feel like when it hits your stop, like when the market hits your stop, you might think, "Oh man, this is personal." You know, like this thing is coming after me. It feels like that because it's just the skill level. That's all it is. Sometimes, there we go. We out. Yo. All right, we out. We out. 1266 on a day. 1267 on a day. Let's go. I'll take it. I'll take it. That was tough. I ain't gonna lie, man. This market will really play with your emotions. 1267 on the day. I'm gonna show y'all my other account, which I was down on. This is the other account I was down on. So I'm up on this account, but I went down on this account because I tried to catch the shorts. It doesn't look ready. Look at this. This wasn't ready. My silly self was trying to force a short trade when it wasn't ready right here. It almost looked ready right here because of the resistance. See what I'm saying? I rushed the trade. I guess I was getting too exhausted. I don't know. See? 1 reject, 2 reject, 3 reject. I see that. I was trying to catch a short on this account. I was trying to catch a short on this account right here. That's a no-no. This is a yeah. But we up on this account. See? Alright. Let me get back. I ain't gonna lie, I wanna get those profits back on that other account, but that's over trading. But hey, I feel like it. I ain't gonna lie. Let's see. This account right here, I'm gonna show y'all the let me show y'all something. Very interesting trading marketing so far. Yeah. Let me show y'all something. So this is the account I was down on, right? I was up on this other account I just showed y'all. Come on. Come on, yo. Let's go. Show them what I'm trying to show them. Yo, show them. There we go. Alright, so to the charts. Hey, I just switched to futures as well using Apex funding too. Hey, for sure, that's what's up, bro. Alright, so look. This is our 6-day trading on this within this month. So this week I'm down. So in total I'm up on a month I'm up 800. So yes, you can see. Can y'all see that? I don't see it. Y'all can see that. No, y'all can't see it. Let me bring it up some. Come on. See if y'all can see that now. Alright, so look, I'm up 866 on the month. This is my raid day. Today was a bad day for me. I feel like I just couldn't really find my edge in the day. So this is where we at right now. Second account. Just started this account just for fun. I've had it sitting. We up 1200. So we doing pretty good. It's a little rough, but we doing pretty good. It's a little rough. Transparency. Even though this market is a little annoying. A little annoying. Let's get underneath this. Alright, back to a daily to kind of see where we at. We're sideways. It's been nothing but sideways. I don't know if we're waiting for like news in the evening or something, but we're sideways. There's really no news, I guess. I don't really see anything. Nah, man, we just really, oh, man, I can't believe we just tapped right here and just rejected. That's alarming. Nice bounce on the 30-minute. And we tapped this. Oh man, that was perfect. Yeah, I should have paid attention. I should have paid attention. Yep. Yeah, Apex. I got my Apex account. I do. I don't know if you saw it. Did I show you Angel? Did I show you my Apex account that I was trading? Did you see that account? No, not it was on Tradeovate. If Angel is still in the chat, it was on Tradeovate. Try one short right here. See if we can get to this 5 minute. Oh, I'm liking the trade. Let me take this off. See if I can get my losses back on this account. See if we can do it. Dang, they want to give it. Okay. I see it. Yay! Hey, thanks. Bro, you over supportive, bro. The trades be there. They be there. Damn, it really just barely tapped my stop, my take profit. It's crazy. So, Deontay, what you got planned today? Oh, take these off. Let's go. So, hey, yo, my plan was to try to get this account back, even though it's pushing lunchtime. I don't care. Let's go, y'all. No problem. Just showing super support. Man, I love the support, man. It really helps to keep my mind right. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Thank God for y'all. For real. Thank God for y'all. Alright, let's try to get this account back. Look, like I told y'all, we did get on this account. Really good, right? Really good on this account. Now, I really want to get this back. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I really do. I think I got a little FOMO, got a little nervous, got a little scared. I just don't like that. Let's see if I can find an entry somewhere that's perfect. Let's get it back. Let's go. Let's get it back. Hold up. Let's pin out the love. Not showing. Gotta go. Alright. I should have added more in that. Man, that would have been a good play. I moved my limit sale. I shouldn't have moved it. I would have been up fast on that trade. Yeah, I should have been up. Let me see, 90, 100 on that. Let me see, 100 on. Let me look at the calculator. 15. So it would be 1 point. It would be 5.5. Come on, calculator. 5.5. We're doing a great job, bro. Hey, appreciate your love, man. Thanks for it. 1.5 times 100. 550. I would have taken that. All right. So what we got? Is it a bounce at this 5 minute? I gotta see some confirmation. I gotta see a full on. I gotta see a full blown. Oh, I don't like that candle. That candle could have passed it, right? Let me see something. This might be a continuation short. Yeah. Try for one short. But then again, I might be getting into a short that not. Is it respecting that zone? Is it respecting that zone? I think it's respecting that. Figured that it was gonna do that. Four minutes. Trying to see if we can get a bounce. If not, then we might go short. Are we going long at this 5 minute? I'm trying to get more confirmation. Yeah, I might go long. More confirmation. Definitely how we sped through that. Yeah, I like that. Nice bounce. Taking off. One. Leave one runner. See what we do. Like I said, we're gonna get these losses back. That's the plan. I'm gonna work this market until I get these losses back. I want to see if we get a rejection right here. One rejection was right there. One rejection was right here. See if I see any more probabilities of the short might come in. Nah, I don't see any other probabilities. 1 minute on this right here. 1 minute on this candle. 1 minute, 30 seconds on that one. 2 hours on that one. We doing great. Yes, we are, bro. We're doing great. I need to get a dime on here. Like I said, y'all, we're gonna try to get these losses back. That was the plan. Get these losses back. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's see what we got. 130. I'm gonna take out right here and get back in a better entry. All right, so we down 1236. We were down a lot before, but we're gonna grind and get this account back. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna grind and get this account back. See if we have any true rejection. Let me see. Let's see. Usually you want to get off around 11 o'clock because when 11 o'clock come, yo, that's it. Are we squeezing out of this? What is this? What would you call this right here? What would you call this? Shout out to everybody in the chat. In that chizzy chat. Remember, we did good on our other account, you know? We did good. I'm gonna throw that in there. I don't want you to think I'm just trashy right now. But we're working on this account. Gotta get this back up. I'm gonna take my time and try to build it up. I might do it tomorrow. If I don't see no clear signs of a good trade, I'm gonna take my time and just build it back up. Let's see what we got. A rejection back to the longs. Let's see. Rejection back to the longs. Where's that rejection? I'm confused. Okay, okay. I think I see it. I think I see it. I think I see it. Let's try short. Let's try 10. I want to see something right here. Ah, so I said try 10 and it just takes away. Yo. Ah, my goodness. When you see the trade, boy, it takes off. It takes off. Shit, bro, we see it. We see it. We see it. If you have a retest, let me see. If we do have a retest, see what I can get back in at. Oh, 5 minute just gave it up. 5 minute just gave it up. Oh, 5 minute just gave it up. Yo. Ooh. Dang, yo, I should have get. We need the scary reaction vids back. Good to see you, bro. Derek, good to see you too, bro. The scary reaction vids, boy. You want me frightened? Why you want me scared, man? I don't want to be scared. I don't. I don't want to get scared. All right, let me look at this 5 minute right here. Unless it's just. Wait, hold up. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh. What am I doing? What am I doing? Get back. Get back. I need to look at something. All right. I gotta be careful right here. I gotta be careful right here. This can definitely be a retest back. Come on, why you guys start lagging when volume starts getting crazy? When volume starts getting crazy, though. Come on, man. This pump was vicious. Are we out that trade? $10. $10. Oh, I like that long. Okay, maybe them longs are coming in. Let's see. Ooh, those longs. Bounce off that 5 minute. Tap into that. Respect. Hey, the most amazing YouTube ever. Hey, Rain. Thank you for that. Thank you for that love. Thanks for that love. Appreciate the love. Appreciate it. You know, let me get out this trade. I want to see something right here. Thanks for the heart. All right, let's see what we got right here, y'all. See if we can recover back these losses. Macro time coming up soon. We got 10 more minutes until macro. Keep up the good, amazing work. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Love all of the love and support. Thank you. This might be the bounce I needed for real to go long. I haven't seen the shorts. The shorts haven't came in yet. So let me go back. Let me go back. We could be long. Long bias. Long bias for real. Maybe I'm forcing the longs. I mean, maybe I'm forcing the shorts and they just don't want to come in. That's probably what it is. I'm trying to force the shorts and the shorts doesn't want to come in. Oh, thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. All right, I'm gonna pay attention to this level. This is an important level. This is an important level. I gotta see what happens right here. I gotta see what happens right here. Are we gonna reject this or are we gonna break this? If we break this, I'm going in. Man, I'm putting in all contracts. I am not kidding. 5 minutes. I have liquidity that lies below. See, I might be in range. Honestly, I might be rangy. Playing range a lot. Let's see. 15-minute. No break. Rejection, rejection. Rejection, 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 rejection. I'm gonna try one. Put the stop below the lows. For a loss, I got a block right here that we could probably possibly bounce off of if we do break down. If we do. Oh, thank you so much, Ryan. Let's see, 5 minute. Four minutes into this 30-minute. Couldn't pass. Rejection. Nah, I might be seeing it wrong. I might be seeing it wrong. I don't know. I don't think the loan's gonna come in. I don't know. We just ping ponging. Wow, they did it. Hey, thank you for the love. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. All right. 1186. 1186, y'all. 1186. That's not a good block. One 86. Okay, so we at 1186, y'all. We working there. We getting there. Let's see if I'm looking for a clear play. Heads and shoulders. Head and shoulders. Maybe. Possible head and shoulders. Look at a high time frame to kind of get confirmation. Break down. See what we do right here. This is a key level, especially we got the macros coming. This might be a short play. We're gonna see. Let's try with 3 right here. Let's gauge 3. It's oh, we lagging. Come on. Oh, 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 oh. Did I get into the trade too early? Did I get into the trade too early? Yo, this market is a little laggy. Oh my goodness. The video quality and the audio is doing great. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm sorry, I'm adding. 20, let's go. I'm adding. I'm adding. I just had to take that risk. It's too nice. Take out partials. Take out partials. We did it. That was tough, but we did it. We did it. I might just let I might let this trade ride and let it let the runner keep going. Wow, look at that. Hey, every time I told you, every time the loans come in, they keep bouncing at these key levels and they just bounce. Just straight bounce. Man. I know that has to be annoying for most people. Alright, we at 6:45. Might just gonna have to take that and call it a day. But I'm gonna let this runner run. I wanna see it go. I wanna see us tap into, I really wanna see us tap into this level right here. Down to this 30-minute. I really do. Could we let me get rid of all of this. Noise, that's noise. Get rid of all of that. This too. I'm at it. Oh, that must have been a bounce. Come on. Ah, that was a bounce. That was a bounce. Ah, Quasi. Hold the trade. Are we trying? I got into a bounce. I shouldn't have got into that. That was a bounce. I should have stayed out of it. Yeah. Come on, reject that point. Reject it. Can we get a rejection? Can we please get a rejection right here, please? No. Yeah? Rejection? Please? No? I'm at it. I'm at 30. I think I added too much. I'm taking off partials. Break even. I'm letting this run. Trophy up, boy. Y'all see it. Y'all see the play. Man, we did it. Thank you, Lord. We did it. This is that grind, that hustle, the jabbing. We did it. We got this account back. Look, everybody that's in the chat. Look, this account up 1267. Did good on that one. This market has been sideways, and look how we did. We did good. We got this count back out of the negative. This count is out of the negative, okay? And we have one runner. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out. All right, we did good. We recovered the losses. We did it. Look. Okay, I'm gonna show you what we was at. Let me show you the graph. Man, this graph was grimy. Hold up. Can I show it? Boy, we was down for the long. Hold on, shoot, my bad. Let me see. We was down for the longest. Oh my goodness, look how down we was, y'all. Look, $69, 150, 380, 1100, 1181, 1410, 1351. Jeez, 1467. And now we back up at the tiny tip, the tippy top. We did that. We did that, y'all. We did that. We brought this account back. Y'all did that, man. Let's go. Oh, we failed? We did that. We did that. Good job. Good job. Oh, man. Hey, yo, shout out to y'all, man. Shout out to the people in the chat sticking around and watching and learning. That was a tough trade. I ain't gonna lie. That was a tough trade. Are we still in this trade? Hold up. Are we still in this trade? Nope. I think it took us out. I don't see my. Oh, there we go. We back in it. We still in it. All right, y'all. So as y'all can see, we back. We broke even, and I have one runner. I'm not adding no more. We did it. I'm not adding no more. So we're gonna let this runner run, and then after that, whatever it stops us out, we hopping off. Talk about a long trade. Sideways day. Look at this sideways action. Shh. See money, take money type of day. Hey, sometimes if you really believe in yourself, you can do it. If you really believe in yourself. Thank you, Deontay. We did it. We did it, man. Sometimes you don't want to lose that much money in an account, but hey, you just gotta accept it. Man, that play was perfect. Hey, we letting this runner run. I know everybody that left out of the chat, y'all probably doubted us, but we got it. Deontay, we got Rain, we got Pretty Girl, we got everybody in here, man. We did good, man. We did it. Let's see if we can tap into these lows. Let's see if we can come down to this low right here. Man, we did that. Be honest with y'all, I might hop off. I am exhausted. I ain't gonna lie. I'm exhausted, y'all. We did it. Also, I gotta go back to that word. I gotta go back in that word. Hold on. Make sure you get your 80% off Apex account. Use that code, that guy. Alright? Use that code. 80% off Apex. Use that code. Also, therefore, with minds that are alert and fully sober, set your hope on the grace to be brought to you when Jesus Christ is revealed in his coming. So make sure you have a sober mind, okay? And set your hope on grace, on his grace. Do not conform to the evil desires you have when you lived in ignorance. But just as he who called you is holy, so be holy in all you do. For it is written, be holy because Jesus is holy, okay? God is holy. All right, stay holy, y'all. Also, suffering for doing good. We might go through things, we might go through some hard times. Make sure that when you're doing good, expect suffering, expect prosecution, expect to be, judged, expect to be judged, humiliated, embarrassed. Expect these things, okay, when you're doing good, because same thing as Jesus walked. Jesus walked in humility. He was judged. He was flogged. He was embarrassed. He was mocked. Finally, all of you, be like-minded, be sympathetic, love one another, Be compassionate and humble. Do not repay evil with evil or insult with insult. On the contrary, repay evil with blessings, because to this you were called, so that you may inherit a blessing. For whoever will love life and see good days must keep their tongue from saying evil. Don't let your tongue, okay, speak evil. The same tongue that you speak good, don't let it speak evil, okay? All right? And also their lips from deceitful speech. Try not to be deceitful too. All right? They must turn from evil and do good. Do good. They must seek peace and pursue it. Seek peace. Pursue peace. For the eyes of the Lord is on the righteous, and his ears are attentive to the prayers. So when you're praying to the Lord, he sees you praying. He hears you praying. But the face of the Lord, he turns against those, right? He turns against those that do evil. God bless y'all. May God be with y'all. And I pray for peace over y'all. And have a good day. I'll see y'all in the next stream. We did it. We did it.